Newly
said he
built
has
4-bedroom
increased my
terrace
rent.
duplex plus beach
Normally,
view.
I used to pay
Potemkin, Maine,
1.4
Abuja.
million. He said he has
175
increased it
million
to 2
naira.
million. I said, sir, it's too much. Then I told him, sir, I will pack out. He said, no problem. Then I called an agent. I said, sir, please look for a house for me, 2-bedroom flat. Then the man called me after 2 hours later. He said he has seen a house. So I said, how much for a year? The man said 1 million. I said, I will take it. Then the man said, agent fee 500,000. Landlord and agreement fee 800,000. Say caution fee 400,000. Then caretaker fee 250,000. Total package is 3.4 million. Now I call my landlord. I said, landlord, somebody not to play with you. I go pay. Send your account number. I go pay. Don't they play with you, landlord. Send your account number. To pack na to pack bless to pack na but no pack oh. Anyway, you just stay no pack abeg. To pack hard oh. To pack hard.